Before we read the news, we had technical difficulties before. To those who were watching the Lotto draw, we will just stay tuned, and they will be showing that maybe after the news. Meanwhile, President Aquino will lead the nation tomorrow in the celebration of the country's 117th Independence Day. Center of Freedom Day activities is the town of Santa Barbara in Iloilo Province. On the eve of the celebration, the President inspected various government projects in Iloilo. Rocky Ignacio was there and she followed this report.
President Aquino called on Filipinos to give their share on nation building. The President said on the eve of the 117th anniversary Independence Day to be held in Iloilo Province. The Chief Executive hopes that the country should also be freed from narrow-minded people or negativism.
Sa palagay ba ninyo, dapat pang pakinggan ng mga ito o tinginin po ba manatili na lang tayong nakatutok sa pagpapanig sa tama at nakakabuti sa nakakarami? Sana nga ho, imbis na puro reklamo, ay tunlungan na lang nila tayong maghanap ng dagdag pa mga solusyon. Handa naman tayong makinig, pero sila itong wala namang binibigay na kahit anong suwestyon. Sabi ko nga lang ho, Independence Day naman bukas, sana magpalaya na rin sila sa kaisipan nilang dekahon.
President Aquino visited Iloilo to inspect and inaugurate infrastructure projects in the area, including the President Corazon Aquino and Senator Benigno Aquino Jr. Avenues, a recognition for their contributions to the country's democracy and independence. The more than 6 billion pesos infrastructure projects consist of road widening, 19 new bridges, and 9 flood control projects.
Sa anumang nagagawa nating positibo, may nagsabi nga ho, sa alinmang lipunan sa mundo, may tinatawag na contrarian. Sila po yung mga taong kahit anong imungkahi mo, kontra dito, kontra dyan, kontra doon. Pag sinabi ko pong puti, sasabihin na, hindi itim. Pag sinabi ko, nga, itim, sasabihin na, hindi, puti pala.
The President earlier claimed he had no intention to run in the coming elections, but he wants the system of straight path to continue beyond this term.
Kayo ang titiyak na hindi na tayo lilis pa at patuloy pang-aarangkada ang bilang natin nagkakaisang bansa. Tayo pa rin mga Pilipino ang susulat sa magiging tadhana ng bansang Pilipinas. Mga pinalangakong Ilonggo, upod kita nga ipanubli sa mga masunod nga henerasyon ang pag-uswag sang atong pungsod nga madugay na naton ginahandom. Madamogin na salamat.
Meanwhile, Independence Day will be celebrated in the town of Santa Barbara to give recognition to the role of the Visayas in freedom. President Aquino said in Santa Barbara when the Philippine flag was first raised outside Luzon in November 1898. The Iloilo All-Provincial Capital is now ready to receive more than 100 guests from the Diplomatic Corps, member of the Executive, Legislative, Judiciary, and other government officials for the traditional Van Dinor. President Aquino wants to celebrate Independence Day to other parts of the country. The President led Independence Day last year in Naga City. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio, Iloilo.